Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in the B2B selling techniques we have reached the conclusion. What are the various chapters that we have seen over a period of time, how these chapters could be helpful for you, and what are the key ingredients, the topic that we have discussed in the various chapters of the B2B selling techniques is something that we'll see in the conclusion. Now the first thing that we have seen is the basics and the fundamentals. What is the basics and the fundamentals of B2B selling techniques? What you need to do, how you need to do, how you can actually go about creating a B2B selling technique formula. Then we have also seen how to get started. What are the basic steps that you need to take, how actually you can create your winning strategy, how you can actually go about building the content marketing strategy is something that we have seen in the how to get started. We have also seen what are the best B2B selling techniques that you can think of implementing to drive more and more traffic to your website or business page or the landing page, and actually how you can actually go about creating a winning content marketing strategy, how you can drive more and more traffic, leads and the conversions is something that we have seen in some of the best selling techniques. We have also seen the best techniques explained. What are the key strategies, how you can actually create a winning formula for your B2B strategy, B2B selling techniques, and how you can actually go about understanding and researching your competitors, how you can actually go about looking into the various factors of the customers research, what are the key techniques that you can implement in doing the customer research so that you can map your content marketing strategy to meet the requirements of your customers. And we have also seen the customer acquisition goals. What is the step-by-step process you can think of implementing and creating a strategy you can go about acquiring more and more customers by having a acquisition goals in place. Understand the customer personas. Why personas? What are basically customer personas? Why we need to have customer personas? How customer personas will help you in actually getting more and more customers. And we are also seeing setting the KPIs and the target, the key performance indicators and the targets. When you have a marketing strategy, a content marketing strategy in place, when you have the web analytics in place, how you can actually set the key performance indicators and targets based on the goals that you want against your customers, the requirements and the pain points of the customers, and what are the KPIs and the target that you can set and how you can set them. We have also seen some of the techniques of the related to the customer journey. What is the step-by-step process from the anonymous user or a visitor who comes to the website? The customer is acquired, the leads are generated and the conversions happen. What is the funnel? What is the step-by-step process of a customer journey is something that we have seen in this chapter. We have also seen building and mapping the content. Why building content is important, of course, that you will be doing. Why mapping of the content, targeting the customer, how you can personalize the content to meet your target customer requirements, and that is an essential part of your selling techniques, B2B selling techniques, and this is something that we have seen in this. We have also seen how to formulate winning proposals. You have actually traffic available for you, you have got the leads, and leads need to be nurtured, leads need to be converted into customers, and for that to happen you need to create a winning proposal formula. You need to formulate winning proposals. How you can actually go about creating winning proposals, what should be the key ingredients or key elements of a winning proposal is something that you need to see in that one. And how you can actually create a marketing plan template. Why marketing plan template is essential, how marketing plan template can be created, and what are the key ingredients of your marketing plan template, and what are the benefits of it, how you can cut time and increase the efficiency and the productivity is something that we have seen in that. We have also seen building a roadmap implementation plan. Let's assume you have submitted a proposal, the customer is acquired, the customer actually wants you to tell them how you are actually going to implement a proposal, implement a service or a solution or a project. You need to build a roadmap implementation plan. And what are the key ingredients of a roadmap implementation plan? how actually you can go about creating a roadmap implementation plan, what are the features that you can show in the roadmap implementation plan, and why roadmap implementation plan will help you in deploying or delivering the kind of solution that are needed is something that we have seen in this. We have seen the top negotiation skills and techniques. You have a lot of competition out there in the market. The customer actually get proposals from multiple vendors, and you need the top negotiation skills to close the deal, to ink the deal, to sign the agreement with your customer. And what are the top negotiation skills that you can use and implement is something that we have seen in this. We also seen some of the best sales process. These top level strategies that you can implement in your sales process is something that we have seen in that. We also seen how to create a winning USP. You have a lot of competition out there in the market for the kind of services, solutions and products that you are selling. And when customers are looking, customer is a very informed person with the kind of information available on the internet, on social media. The customer knows exactly what they want and how they want. And when they actually want it, they talk to multiple vendors. And when they talk to multiple vendors, they see what is the value each one of them are offering. And you need to create a winning USP to beat your customers, to beat your competitors and get the customers. And how you can actually go about creating a winning USP is something that was discussed here. We also seen how to build a business brand. The business brand is something that need to be created. The brand equity, the brand management and the brand value. What are the key elements and the ingredients in creating a business brand is something that we have seen in this video. And we have also seen how actually you can improve best techniques to use for analytics and return on investment. What are the analytical tools you can use, how the analytics can be leveraged to drive more and more conversions and track the return on investment is something that we have seen in this. We also seen mastering the B2B skills, the complete comprehensive illustrative technique that you can think of in designing, developing and formulating your marketing strategy and mastering the B2B skills. We also seen the ultimate guide. What are the key steps, ingredients, complete, comprehensive and illustrative plan in terms of creating your funnel, creating your business funnel, creating your marketing strategy, the content marketing techniques that you need to implement, how you can map the content, how you can target the customer, how you can personalize the content, how you can go on negotiating the skills. Everything was discussed in the ultimate guide. And these are some of the tools, these are some of the chapters, the techniques that you can implement and the best practices you can implement in creating a winning formula for your B2B selling techniques. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.